Patreon Nemo. Patreon Nemo is famous for its multitasking. This multitasking mission is designed by a Finnish company Patria. Patreon Nemo is fully made outside America. It is not only famous for its multitasking, but it is also highly convertible. Patreon Nemo can be used in many ways and it is fully remote controlled. The good thing about this mission is it is made to adapt different conditions. The motor system is used as a part of armed vehicle. It can be placed inside a shipping container and can be transported. The motor is simply convertible. The container can stay on the ground and can be used as a static weapon. The motor can also be taken about in a small or large ship for attacking purpose. The range of this multitasking beast is 10 kilometers. Its maximum speed is 10 shots per minute. This Patreon Nemo is used in Finland, Slovenia, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Sweden. The RBS-70NG. The RBS-70NG it is the latest version introduced in 2011. The improved version of this has a sighting system, night vision and an after-action review camera. The advantage of this weapon is can be carried by two people and put into a fire position in seconds. The operational range varies between 250 meters and 8 kilometers and can reach a height of 5 kilometers. The updated RBS-70NG has an automatic target recognition and guidance system. Athena. The next weapon we will talk about is Athena. Athena is still in experimental stage and has also passed numerous tests. Athena is more simply like a drone, and most of the countries are starting to use military drones to attack specific targets silently. Athena uses 30 kilowatt high power laser which can destroy all materials. But Athena is one step ahead of all drones because armies need efficient equipment to disarm drones, but the laser weapon system can disarm all kinds of drones. It uses the laser to destroy the drone. It has a concentrated light beam, carry high intensity of electromagnetic radiation, and raise the temperature of the drone, and therefore the drone melt down and destroy itself. The M242 Bushmaster. M242 Bushmaster is a 25mm American medium caliber automatic cannon. It is more similar to the one used in armed combat vehicles. The surprising thing is the striking range of this mission is 3 kilometers and it can reach up to a maximum of 7 kilometers. The M242 Bushmaster has various firing modes. It fires single shot and burst modes at different rates. The M242 has special mechanics which allows to switch from one type of ammunition to another instantly. This mission has a firing rate of 200 rounds per minute, and this can be doubled by operating mode and type of ammunition used. The countries like Australia, New Zealand, Norway, Singapore and Spain are the countries which use this mission. Rowanus UGV. Rowanus UGV is the smallest but provides a remarkable service to the infantry. The Rowanus UGV is fully remote controllable and has a payload of 600 kg, but it can tow up to 1 ton of the weight. The UGV is fully designed by an Ukrainian company. The Rowanus UGV can also be used as a drone launch station. This UGV moves silently. The UGV moves at a speed of 20 km per hour. It also increases the overall speed of soldier moving across the rough terrain.